Hello guys, Beomhan here, and you would not believe where we are today. I can't wait to show you guys, hold on. So we're here, we're ice fishing. I just want to say, I'm so grateful for this YouTube channel, and I'm finally out of the FM basement, and I get to experience life. Yo, look at this, look at how crazy this is. I can't wait to tell my mom about this. We're ready.
He's already like, if you can't do it, it's okay.
He's already giving up on me? Oh! Ah! Oh! Ah! Do I have to do it the way he did? Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Oh, no, this must be done. I'm so sorry. Ah! Did it turn? Oh, okay, they're still there. There's. Oh! You're kidding. That's the worst day of my life.
Is there actually any fish? This seems like a scam.
Huh? Come on. If given the choice, I wouldn't do this again. Oh, wait. Yo! Guys, oh! Oh God! What do I do? What do I do now? Guys, we accomplished nothing! We can't fish! Let's go home. Let's go. Today, we caught no fish. Or maybe we caught a fish, but I guess that's it. Thank you for joining us. I would definitely not fish ever again. And yeah, that's it. Use that for me. Boom!